All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here from another video. Callie and I have got back off of our cruise. Like I said, we did a 5-day, 4-night cruise out of Tampa and had a really good time. Sorry about that. Had somebody pulling in the driveway. So like I said, we made it back from Tampa. We had a good time. And before we had left to go to Tampa, I had bought another motorcycle that I couldn't pass up on. So now I'm going to show you guys the new motorcycle that I bought. All right, here you have it. New to me. We bought I bought a 2013 Victory Highball. It has roughly, it's like 13,700 or 800 miles on it. And go ahead and turn it over to see how many, I forgot exactly how many miles it's got on it. Doesn't have much on it. 13,817 miles. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing out that the high and low beam to these LED headlights that I got off Amazon. So obviously there'll be a link down in the description to get those LED headlights if you're interested. So I bought this off of one of the guys that I used to be stationed with here at Herbert Field. He's still stationed here as well. So like I said, we're going to do fresh oil change. I already put two new spark plugs in it. Those are the first spark plugs that I ever bought that were like already pre-gapped. Like you couldn't, I don't think I have the box to them anymore, but the spark plug was already pre-gapped, set to like 0.36, and yeah, it's forever set that way. So you know, it's already got a nice. The seat is comfy, passenger seat's comfy. So Colin and I are definitely going to be taking this out to Panama City. Need some new mirrors. I need some small TLC stuff. I'm gonna buff out the paint. It's been sitting in a storage garage for the last couple months. Funny enough, I actually rode this bike more than the owner did last year. So I made him an offer. He has a kid coming. Oh shit, I think the kid's gonna be here any day now. So I was like, hey, I just threw out an offer, and he was like, yeah, sure. So we got us a big bike, 106 cubic inches. Things like 1,740 cc's. But first things first, let's get rid of that nasty old headlight and get this thing fixed up with some LED headlights. And I was thinking about maybe putting some white walls on this bike. I don't know yet. I think the bike looks sexy as well. And I do love that it is belt driven, not chain driven. And yeah, we'll see where this bike takes us this summer. Just like I do in any video, we're going to give you some instructions. You got 2 Allen screws, one here, and then 2 on the other side. Take this, take that little top cover off, and then that exposes the low beam and the high beam headlight. And I might have already done this once. I'm going to be honest, I bought the wrong LED headlights at first. Come on. I think I bought H7s, and these are, yeah, H11s. So once we get done changing out the LED headlights and changing the oil and the oil filter, I'll give you guys a nice cold start of the bike, because it does have aftermarket exhaust. I don't remember exactly what the brand was, but I could look it up. But yeah, so let's get these bulbs switched over and get these new LEDs in there. All right, let's make sure I installed this correctly. It was an easy plug and play process. Yep, high beam works. Boom. Let's go turn the garage light off and see what it looks like. I can already tell you this visibility is going to be 10 times better than what it was from that nasty halogen bulb. Oh yeah, that output is way better. It's nice to add a nice little modern touch to a 2013 motorcycle. Let's see what the high beam looks like. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Next thing we gotta do is put some LEDs in these turn signals. So first upgrade complete. Let's get on to the oil change and go for we're gonna go for a ride, do a cold start. And of course, I want to see how the headlight looks going down the road. All right, fun fact. I didn't know this, so you guys are gonna figure it out with me. All right, so under this plastic cover right here, where the covers up the battery, there is a perfect size Allen key for the drain bolt. So what you're going to do, I don't really have much sliding. Here is the oil filter, okay? Directly in front. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but the oil drain plug goes right there. We're gonna take out 5 quarts is gonna drain out, and then we're gonna be using the Mobile One M1 110 Alpha. I'll have a link down in the description of that as well. And then they recommend 20W40, but for where I'm at, it's hot most all the time. We're gonna run 20W50. Nobody had 20W40 in stock, so that's what we're gonna run. And then yeah, we'll fire this bad boy up and take it for a rip. And I'm excited to let you guys hear the cold start on the bike. I believe, I want to say the exhaust starts with an R. I don't remember what the guy previous to me said, but get her done. All right, now that we got the oil filter back on, lubed up, all that good stuff, and we have the drain plug on, let's go ahead and put 5 quarts of oil in here. That's what it calls for. I don't think this oil has been changed in a while. It was pretty black. All right, first quart. And here goes the last and final of the 5th quart of oil. Boom. All right, time to start it up. All right, got the oil changed. New LED headlight. Let's go ahead and fire the bike up and see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. Nice little cold start. Here we go. Let the bike warm up and then we'll give it some rest. Give it some rest. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me very well, but that's going to do it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about my new Victory Highball. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. It's time to put a helmet on and go for a ride. Peace.